friends, now that we have a good idea about what a mixed number is, what an improper fraction is, this is going to help us guide us into our next section, which is adding mixed numbers. So what do we do when we have to add mixed numbers together, and how can we use what we already know about improper fractions and changing them into mixed numbers to help us? Okay, so I'm going to write in my table of contents, adding mixed numbers. And today we're going to look at, there's going to be two strategies that we're going to learn. The first way is going to be adding mixed numbers using improper fractions. And then in a couple days we'll look at another way to add mixed numbers. And like with anything, find the strategy that works for you and hold on to that one. But I do want you to look at both and be able to do both, but have one that you master for sure. Okay? We are going to be adding mixed numbers. So today I will add mixed numbers using improper fractions. Okay, let's take a look. Let's say that they want you to add 2 2/4 plus 1 3/4. The first strategy is to use improper fractions. So it's to convert these using the Dorito method into improper fractions, okay? So if you're super comfortable with the Dorito aspect, this might be a good strategy for you to use. Okay, so step 1, convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. And we call this our fave Dorito method. You should be getting more comfortable with this method, and we're going to use it today. Okay? So step 1, we got to convert. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 equals what? 10. So the first thing we have is 10 over, my denominator stays the same. Okay? Second, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. My denominator stays the same. So now I have 7 over 4. Okay, step 2. We should be getting familiar with that and feeling more comfortable. And now this is the easy part. Okay, so now we just add the numerators. Denominator stays the what? Same. We are masters at the denominator staying the same. When in doubt, keep the denominator the same. Okay, so step 2, 10 plus 7, my denominator stays the same. Now we got 17 over 4. Okay, step 3, convert improper fraction back into mixed number. Okay, we know how to do this, right? So we can take, how many parts do we have of our whole? We got 4. So I'm gonna draw my first one. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have? 17 minus 4. So we have 4 covered. Is that enough? Nope. So let's draw again. 1, 2, 3. Do another 4. Now we have a total of 8. Is 8 the same as 17? Definitely not. So I can draw another one. So now I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is 12 17? Nope. So I gotta draw another area model. 1, 2, 3. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I'm close. I still need to draw another one though. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 16, 17. Okay, here we go. How do we find our mixed number? We count our holes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we count our part and our hole. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is my denominator. How many are shaded? 1. So my new mixed number is 4 and 1/4. So 2 and 2/4 plus 1 and 3/4 is equal to 4 and 1/4. Okay, now I want you to prove it. So let's do prove answer with number line. So how can we prove that 10/4 plus 7/4 is equal to 17/4, right? And 4 and 1/4. So let's draw our number line. We're gonna need to make this one big, right? Because we have 17. So we have 0 and 1. Now I need to do 17 parts. So I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? So I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. I'm going to go all the way to 17. Okay, I made it. Okay, so now we need to add up. So the first number I have is 10/4. So I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my first jump. Okay, second jump is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17 fours. Okay. So did I prove my answer with a number line? Yes. Okay, now why don't we prove with an area model? So I'm going to do the same thing that I did up here. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do my boxes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now all I want to do is shade them in like different colors. So here I just showed 17/4, but I want to show that 10/4 plus 7/4 give you 17/4. So I'm just going to color code them. So let's do 10/4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I proved it by saying that 10/4 plus 7/4 is equal to 17/4, which we know now to be 4 and 1/4. So you can prove it with a number line and you can prove it with an area model. Okay? So I'm going to give you one to work on tonight for homework. Okay, let's just do one tonight. because these might take a little bit of practice. So let's do 1 and 3 6 plus 1 and 1 6, and let's prove it with, you can do either a number line or area model. You can decide which one you want to do. Both examples are in this video or on your page behind you. Make sure you convert these using the Dorito method and then add across, okay?